No found no hate him, but at the same time, I know have to rate him. Before Cartel come to prison, who did that sell out stadium?
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
A Sean Paul and them man, they alone did that sell out stadium.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Cartel make some man can post in a stadium now and say, yo, see me that sell out stadium, yeah. A Cartel make some man a go even harder. A Cartel make some man and make even more money right now.
You keep talking, man. And you shut the fuck up.
A few moments later.
Skilly bang. Wagwan. Or me can have I this studio from Masicka this year I have I this studio. And have a high G a trace.
2,000 years later.
Me say, Jamaica people and bad mind you fuck. No bad mind. No bad mind. Imagine Masicka getting glory, genocide are getting glory. I getting glory and I getting story be here, you see me? And I go on good and I fuck up billboard and I fuck up chart. Where first thing wanna do? Wanna put alkaline in a blood clot conversation. You see on the stage?
You did who? All of them a call up me name forget the eye. Me nah give them, no eye. They're going dead for hungry.
You know, so I'm tired of some of brother when I come here for bomb buckler, they come and talk about Alkaline for the cartel. Eh? Alkaline live in a cartel, shall I not pay him homage? Who cartel follow?
Jesus, please. This like, no man. No man.
One eternity later.
We're gonna beat some dancehall artists, you know. We're gonna see who can sell out the Barclays. We're gonna send them to CJ Milan. We should go spend our money for book them for sell out the bar. CJ Milan, Farmer can sell out that, you know. Farmer, come back. It's a hype me and you, man. It's a hype me and you, man. Come on, man. I want you.
Yo, me see one bag of gas and man a post some old video for me. And I tell Masicka say if be careful of me. But more ask all on the gas a vlog or something. I never hear something analyze none of my friend them yet.
Damn!
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Man, you don't know one Media Fox funny up, you know. Yeah man, so people, we hear a bag of thing, you know. You see, Vice Cartel do this, Vice Cartel do that. Bro, you know me really do with uno just bad mind the whole of the artists them fear do great things. And that me realize when Vice Cartel out there they are prison, me never hear you say all of this. You understand? Me never hear you say all of them suck me here. Vice Cartel forward out. You that thinks that Vice Cartel create God. See all when people do it million times before him. When him do it, at them time they copyright. Bro, if you just stop bad mind the artists them, make the youths them do them thing. We know we have the tribalist thing in a dance. Nothing wrong, a competition. Each fans troll fans. But you know say something where they even make no sense, me G. But me create a brother as a people.
No found no hate him, but at the same time, I know have to rate him. Before Cartel come to prison, who did that sell out stadium? A Sean Paul and them man, they alone did that sell out stadium. A Cartel make some man can post in a stadium now and say, yo, see me that sell out stadium, yeah. A Cartel...
Brother, which stadium Vice Cartel sell out? No keep on a start about stadium. Stadium different from arena, me G. Which stadium you see Vice Cartel not even sell out, what you call it? Not even sell out, the Jamaican National Stadium, bro. Him never sell it out. Which other stadium Vice Cartel do outside of Jamaica? Like, to the magnitude where him do in a Jamaica, me G. Sell out with stadium. Vice Cartel sell out arena, not stadium. When you keep on a say stadium, that don't make no sense, me G. A Chris Brown and Usher them and Beyonce them and Jay-Z them will see a sell out stadium. When I see Vice Cartel sell out a bag of stadium, bro, arena the man a sell. You understand?
Some man a go even harder. A Cartel make some man and make even more money right now. But that's why you know still. That's why I tell you say dog I teacher.
Yeah man, that's how you go. Your Cartel make everybody shit, man. Cartel make everybody do nothing. So wait there. Cartel make every man make more money. Tell me, you know, that even make no sense? That even make sense, me G? Cartel make wanna make more money? Wait there, Vice Cartel a book them? Or the promoter? More and more people. Is the promoter about the artist them or a Vice Cartel? So wait, since you not talk about Cartel do this, I'm gonna show you something. See, people want to look on this. See? Want to look on that data. Wanna see us so? Alkaline first arena in a UK. You see the date? November the 18th, 2024. Them time there nobody don't know if Vice Cartel get him visa yet to go United States. See? Right, people? So when they talk, it don't even make no sense. When Alkaline announced to be in an arena in UK, I kind of realized that the Barclays Center thing is a hype. And it's so funny. I didn't realize that 2012, Barclays Center was built. Them time the Alkaline never bust yet. And it's a great look for the artists come sell it out 13 years after. You understand? Remember that. It's still a great look because there's enough big artists now do it by themselves. It's a great look. Barclays Center is just a venue, my G. You see me? And the dancehall people them forward out. So we're not talking about Vice Cartel come to. If only they say Alkaline did a follow a Buju set the thing with the arena thing, I could understand. Cause I him forward out and I do the bag of arena thing. See, Alkaline announced a UK arena. Long before even Vice Cartel, you hear say Vice Cartel get him visa. Not even Freedom Street. Never happened yet. You understand? So we're not talking about Vice Cartel make artists at the arena and stadium. That don't even make no sense. Because the Vice Cartel is still do in trial. You understand? Or redo a trial. Alkaline would have still do the arena same way. Would have be a different conversation. You understand? So people, we could go back in the thing there, you see me? Yeah man. So look here now. So this is a Vice Cartel 2025. I'm gonna show you when him announce for your arena. See? I'm gonna see what I go on. So look here now people. See there? February 28, 2025. That's when CJ Milan put up. I'm gonna see it, you know. Because I come like on no sense. See there? February 2025, the 28th of February. Vice Cartel semi in a Barclays Center. So I don't know how comes Cartel makes they go in an arena or whatsoever. Alkaline don't be in an arena already. Before all of that, we just use a Barclays Center hype. And with the Barclays Center build me G. You see me? And if it comes to the youth them do it is a great look. Vice Cartel just do them my brother. And because I'm absent on the prison thing. You understand? Just remember that Vice Cartel never go enough of them places, yeah. Where am I go now? Canada, Cayman, a lot of these countries him never go. You understand? So sometimes when you talk, when you have no sense, when you just love put with Vice Cartel, all know you not give Buju credit. You not give Buju no credit for what him do. Vice Cartel forward out and I do what Buju I do. You see what I'm trying to say? Yeah man. Yeah man. Artists been a do great things all over the years. You know, me realize to Vice Cartel forward with a lot of hype and controversy, all of them things there. Very active on the media. Want to use that because the industry highlight that. The industry never highlight what the other rest of artists them a do. You understand? Them never highlight the first announce. It's just because the hype there on Vice Cartel. Yeah man, for real man. You see me? Wanna just the likes of the youths them do nothing. You understand? But you can't stop the youths them same way. You see it? Cartel are the way I do. Everything what Cartel do. When I say Cartel influence the whole genre, so what do you mean by a whole? One artist can't influence the whole genre, my G. When I go on like a Vice Cartel alone, people listen to in a dancehall. I kind of understand so the industry paint a narrative they make it look so make some of the artists them don't even have a choice. More than when them get them first interview, you know, say, yo, a Vice Cartel, you know. Because them just want to highlight there. And enough of them get lost in the sauce. You understand? We're not going to take the work of Vice Cartel put in a dancehall. But I know every artist, my G. You see me? Yeah, man. Remember, see a lot of people influence the youths. Beanie, Movado, Idonia, a lot of the artists them influence youths. And a Vice Cartel alone. You see me? And I just one of them things there.
Before the Japan Road, who did I do all of them there? Who did I sell out stadium? Who did I sell out arena and all of them stuff there? I be a Bumbleclad and Go-Go Club and some local club and some local place and did their performance on KXL and this and...
But brother, our Vice Cartel club, no building, no one club that. No club cartel that sell out before him go prison. So me not understand. What the problem with club? Me not understand this. What the problem with club? Vice Cartel did I do it in a club before him go prison? Now the absence and the years and every little thing pass by. Yes, him a go do arena now. You understand? See them a start back building. Where you think say building a go always be now an arena? You feel so? Like come on bro, no sense.
You get what I say? So now if you big up the dog, you get what I say? Because I dog come and set the pace. You get what I say? 13 years behind bars and then come back and set the blood clot pace. For younger one them that thing can come sell out arena and this and that. I dog set the pace. But that's why you know that's why I say dog God in this you might hate him, but at the same time you have to rate him. You get what I big up you.
Brother, a fool no God, you know. A fool no God, me G. I tell you, say, on a brain in our matches box. You don't know where I go on. When you keep on, yo, I don't know how to bring up this prison thing more while about 13 years. Brother, Vice Cartel been a drop music, me G. Him been a drop music. Stop using the advantage of Vice Cartel have over the artists them for do him and do me G. The artists them they are road and people that see them. Nobody never see Vice Cartel. Vice Cartel never have been to Canada, all of these places, and Cayman Islands. So he's expected to do that. Let we see him do it till the next 5-10 years, no? Come like on no sense. And when them the years are pass by and him not do it, I bet you now come say, yo, see the man do it already. No sense, brother. I feel now use I just a hype and through the power of social media right now, the hype and controversy. To me, Vice Cartel just overrated. You understand? Because him not achieve a lot of things a lot of artists out there achieve. Him not achieve it. You understand? But he's just an overrated top because him bring the views and the controversy and the drama that I want to use and measure certain things. You see me? Which, it don't make no sense.
Skilly Bang, Wagwan. Or me can have this studio from Masicka this year I have this studio. I have a high G a trace. See, one thing me know about war, you know. Everybody a bad man till the first man drop in at that time, you know how bad, you know. Because you've been a pick the warrior for a long time and now we war come right in your foot. And nothing no go on now. Wagwan, where you distract there? Eh? The crooks them out here now, you know, man. He crooks them out now, man. Right now, he crooks them out.
If I me I tell Skillbang, better Skillbang just focus on his work, yeah. Try to build a catalog like by himself. That him need to do. Skillbang not ready yet, me G. Me see man drop song and I don't know what that, me G. Skillbang not ready yet.
What you do? What you do, Skilly? Them the big disrespect, they put princess by your name. No, Skilly, you have to go defend that, you know, man. Yeah, man. Studio time, man. Gear up, ready up.
Me say, Jamaica people and bad mind you fuck. You know bad mind. You know bad mind. Imagine Masicka getting glory, genocide are getting glory. I getting glory and I getting story be here, you see me? And I go and good and I fuck up billboard and I fuck up chart. Where first thing you do? You put Alkaline in a blood clot conversation. You see on the stay, I bet if Alkaline the heart and around the place, we don't put genocide and Masicka in a fake conversation. Lower man make a man taking glory, man. We don't run up on another talk, but if you clash Alkaline if you call. Oh, every mids of the mids you stay so do something.
The Gaza fans want that to clash, you know. And them want to clash me, G. Vendetta people now mids Masicka. You see me? You know, say Masicka not depend them type of level there, bro. I just a bag of internet hype and them thing there. You see me? I just that.
No mention Alkaline. You know a man make a man seeking glory, man. Make him man having time, man. Oh God, man. You see me?
You know, I go and like say the crooks them innocent or Masicka fans. But the same thing them do with every artist, me G. You understand? I don't run with too much sympathy, me G. I dance all competitive. When Alkaline arena the same, so the crooks them go on. Ticket now sell. You how them a work with Gaza promoter. Same with Vice Cartel. Come on, me G. Everybody do it. I know nothing different.
One man make him man having time. I saw Jamaican people and bad mind and sugar people. You know. Alkaline now do not work. Alkaline now do not have a good steady song right now.
So yes, just a while ago say ancestors, man. Ancestors. Alkaline now a steady song. For your opinion still. You know say girl good and mash up the place. You see me? Yeah, man.
Alkaline now put up no good music right now, me I tell you. The album is bigger than Alkaline album. So all Alkaline fi drop in a conversation with big artists. Right now genocide pass Alkaline, you know. Genocide pass Alkaline. Right now.
Yeah, say it you know in your brain. When that cells you just jump a while ago till you say you know you lie to yourself.
Genocide pass Alkaline right now. Masicka now give Alkaline the attention of the Alkaline have to call name. You can't go with the subliminal this. I have to call name raw and blunt. You can't go tell again. I have to call name raw and blunt. I tell you, man, you don't allow this alone. This is a thing that bigger than you. I genocide go and do anything. And tap shoot man 9 man thing. Man, not do no work ethic. On the tap shoot man 9 man conversation, man. Left that alone. Masicka not answer nobody. Go and do your thing. You post them desperate and a John. And need a straw. Honestly, the answer them posted it. Go and do your thing, genocide. I one side. To the landslide. Big up.
One thing we do no Crux fans, you know, no delusional, you know. Yeah, man, because we no deal reality, you know. Yeah, man.
You know, so I'm tired of some man, brother, when I come here for bumbo clad, you come and talk about Alkaline for the cartel. Eh? Alkaline live in a cartel, shall I not pay him homage? Who cartel follow? Since as you know, can talk about homage and who will pay back homage to who cartel follow? When him ask cartel who influence him in any way in the music, what him say? Him say Buju Bantan, Bounty Killer, Ninja Man. You see me I say? The whole works. But guess what him not talk about? Him now, which name him not call the whole of them time? Aside upon a
Buju Bantan, him just say Bounty make him rich. You understand? Yeah, Buju Bantan, remember him the name Adi Bantan, you know? Yeah, man. So remember that.
Bro, I don't want to give the money homage and give him money props. Guess who? Buju Bantan, Bounty Killer, Ninja Man, and all them money have a eye tattoo right there. Not one. Before I drop tattoo them have so which one of them Buju Bantan and Ninja Man, which one of them have not even one tattoo them money have. See? The star tattoo in the neck so. Who influenced him to put on tattoo and tattoo up his body and bleach out his skin? That me would like to know. Because him come like him create the bumbo clad style. We not talk about Alkaline and follow man style and not give him homage.
A bad mind Alkaline for him success. That's why they want to pin that. But pay homage. Pay homage to who? A Popcorn and them man there and Sean Sam and them man if you pay homage. You understand? I saw them man stay, them no want no youths. Do them own thing, them want everybody to go on the cartel wings and rise. You understand? None of that. That me I tell you. Maybe if cartel never there, prison, Popcorn would reach where him reach. That me I tell you.
Style, brother. The copy way cartel got copy Liquor Wayne style over this and come a yard with it. And I run with it like a film style. Or if a man fear do the same thing where you do, and then you want to kill a man for a copy of style, you go bumbo like copy from a man. You get me I say? But Alkaline take, I want to look at toots. When you go over this, you can take from Liquor Wayne and every bumbo clad thing. Big bumbo clad copycat from the shoes, the right up, the tattoo, every fucking thing the man take, brother. You hear me I tell you? Oh, someone want to come look on bumbo clad Alkaline and feel like Alkaline own a big pussy boy and homage. Alkaline own a homage in this. You hear me I tell you? Oh, that me I tell you because the same man with him, the man with him go follow, cartel go follow, and take a few things from him. And the same man, the Alkaline go take two things from Alkaline take nothing from cartel go suck your mother. Alkaline ratings, you look at Alkaline props, you want Alkaline strength, you want Alkaline to say, yeah, cartel, me give you props, me give you, yeah, you this, you go suck your mother. You're dead before you get that pussy, remember that.
Barclays. So 5 artists set up Barclays so far. Buju Bantan, Cartel, Bounty Killer, Alkaline, and now Masicka. You hear that? But big up the King of Dancehall Vice Cartel for having Barclays record for most sold tickets in the Barclays. This is a man I love recording, man. You see me? Big up on yourself. So right now, we're going to beat some dancehall artists, you know. We're going to see who can sell the Barclays. We're going to send them to CJ Milan and she's going to spend our money for book them to sell the Barclays. Who can sell the Barclays? I'm going to get the pan. You hear me? Beat me, man. What are the beat, man? Go back on the line. Me think about it. Fambo. CJ Milan. Fambo can sell that, you know. Fambo, come back. It's a hype me and you, man. It's a hype me and you, man. Just resurrect back, man. Easy yourself. Skilly Bang. Oh, you mean? Of course. Skilly Bang, them a big international artists, brother. The Chinese. I even can't speak. People don't come back, let's not full up. Them don't want to hear what. Oh, you mean, Skilly Bang?
Sometimes when I talk, you know. But I know it's a Gaza man this, you know, so he might go say some craziness when Skilly Bang. But Skilly Bang been a doing thing internationally. I don't know. Let's see. Anything possible, but sometimes we have to think. You understand? Yeah, bro.
I'm going to put my ticket too. Move on, there's no Barclays yet. We are wait, pan. Go on, shoot, goalie card. Want you don't want money? Sure. I don't, yeah.
I think I don't do the UBS, so him do something already, him can do it. You see me?
Did it do it? Go on, do it, yeah. I believe you can do it, my father, man. Are you big enough? Valiant. More clever, valiant, consistent, you know, dog. Valiant, I'm just like, I'm not seeing DJ Milan disappointing me, you know. Because money have to make.
Valiant, I'm not sure. Bro, I feel like, bro, tell me, I feel like, you see this Barclays thing, bro, use this for more like a hype thing than a reality, bro. Bro, Valiant them forward around 2022, brother. That's like 4 years in a career, my G. You understand? We have to think, bro. Think. You understand? But nothing impossible. You see me? I don't know, yo, CJ will never go put on a lot of promotion or something, G. I know Brooklyn stay a yardy place. You see it, but sometimes I have to think sometimes still.
CJ will have a Valiant. Oh, you mean? Dexter. Yo, but be careful of the transmission them. Careful.
One thing, people, something they can sell at Barclays Center. Because I see him do him little tour thing and so, you know, but we have to see, you know. We have to see. You see me, Dexter that morely sing for the woman them, but you know, you have to have kind of the gangster them same way. You see me, although when the woman them, the man them are dead, but it's still, you see me? But anything possible as me say, but we only think in I comment people if Dexter that can ram out Barclays Center.
Popcorn. Popcorn said Barclays already.
No man, him not do that yet, man. You see me? Popcorn that easy sell out. You maybe him could do all back to back. Popcorn never yet perform in the United States, so that advantage is very at a high rate. You understand? Yeah, the demand for US market, yeah, it's gonna be there. You understand? Yeah man, so it's a good look. You see me? Yeah man, maybe Tamili anything possible, you know, go US for much. Well, I never yet see Tamili never yet perform in the United States for them boss. No. So anything possible, you see me? Anything possible. You see it? Jashi, nah. No. Jashi, no. I don't think so. You see me? I don't think so, people. Beanie Man. You see, he's a Gaza man, you know. So I understand with Beanie Man. You understand? But Beanie Man sell out, I think, a UBS already. You see me? Him sell out UBS. So anything possible with Beanie Man. But I just feel like say some of them, alright, to me, if they might headline it, some of them can headline the show now, but I feel like some of them are gonna need other artists on it. You understand? I just some believe. What you need for you say?
Yo, I see one bag of gas man a post on whole video for me. And I tell Masicka say if you be careful of me. But more all on the gas a vlog or something. You never hear some analyze on my friend name yet. You never hear some beat on my friend name yet. Me never tell no say me and Masicka ever talk on phone. I never ever talk to Masicka in my life yet. So all I want Masicka to be careful of me. Only for one man and my friend to be careful of me. Me understand. Me understand no. You want a man to be careful of me. One day for know say I'm a dancer HR. Sometimes yo, through the people on the show in Canada, Oasis Music Festival, 20th of August, I Masicka the money. You feel like a Masicka give me a show. And that show they are going to sell off. You just hurt because you don't know say a Masicka already thing. I just feel like you don't want to try any little thing. But me and Masicka are no friend. I never talked to Masicka in my life yet. I don't know the youth and the youth don't know me. I'm sure him no love man. I'm sure he can find no love man neither. So I don't know what I'm talking about. We just watched a video with Mad Sus a while ago. And they asked him, why best dancehall artist, the 5 favorite dancehall artists. And he said Little Vibes, Little Addy, Popcorn, Vibes Cartel and Skilly Bang. So no cuss him and tell him say yo, cuss Sean Star man, cuss him and tell him say my sell out. Because him not listen to Sean Star music. Why not take it from me for? Get out of here.
Well, I say going now, bro. You see me, I just one of them thing there, you know. You see me, the artists them I do them thing. You see me? I say go. You see me realize, you know, me realize say dancehall industry players, them not like young youths. Give thanks to Alkaline for forward and no bow down to nobody. So the youths them can see it and do it. You understand? Yeah man. Give thanks to Alkaline forward and no bow down to nobody. You see me? Nobody them just do him own thing. Cause we don't know what would happen with them youths here. Nowadays we just a forward and a build them own thing. You see me? I just that. But let's see. You understand? I'm tell you a reality media facts work with, you know. Yeah man, reality will work with. You see it, so make we see what go on. We don't run with hype and internet thing, a reality we deal with. You see, but big up on yourself, you don't know one media facts pan you have. That is it. Yeah man.